Hi friends, welcome to this question. The data for the reaction A plus B gives C is, they have given this data. So you know that to determine the order, it is experimentally determined, right? So they have done this experiment. So they have got 4 readings, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And they have calculated the rate for experiment number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And they have calculated the change in concentration of both the reagent A and B, right? So you can see the four experiments, right? So here A plus B gives C is the reaction, and they have calculated all the concentration of A and B and the rate. Now we have to tell the rate law corresponding for the above data is, right? We know that. So rate, we know that rate. So for the reaction A plus B gives C, rate is nothing but the rate constant K into concentration of A to the power something A, concentration of B to the power something B, in which N is nothing but the order of reaction, which is the sum of A plus B. Now our thing is to calculate A and to calculate B and to calculate next A plus B. If we sum it, we get the order of the reaction N. We have to calculate, right? So for this above reaction, so it is easy, right? So they have done the experiment, only just we have to calculate the things. So for the reaction, so this is one is there, right? So I will take this rate R1. This is 2, I will take this as R2, and this is 4, I will take this as R4. If this is 3, I will take it this as R3. So let me write R1. So R1 is what? R1 is nothing but K into concentration of E1 into concentration of B1. So power, I can write it as A here, B here. A plus B gives me the order. So R1, how much is R1? 0.10 K. A1 will be 0.012 to the power A. B is what? 0.035 to the power B. And R2. So this is R1. Just I will divide R1 by R2. R2 is what? R2 is C. Here this is the R2 value, right? So I am dividing this by R2, 0.80. So K divided by K. Concentration of A1. Now it is concentration of A2. See, this is A2 now. A2, right? 0.024 to the power A. You may ask, sir, concentration is changing. For A1 it is this one, and for A2 this is A3, A4. Concentration changing. Why you have kept A value as A only here? Because the same reaction they are carrying out, so order remains the same only, right? Order is what? A plus B. A value remains the same, B value remains the same. So A and B, they never change. So A1 divided by A2 happened here. What? B1 should be divided by B2. So B2 value is what? 0.070. So 0.070 to the power B, right? So just I'll calculate this divided by this. So 0.1 divided by 0.8 is nothing but 1 by 8. This is nothing but the R1 by R2, right? 1 by 8, which is nothing but the 0.012 divided by 0.024 whole to the power what? A into sorry, let me write it clearly. See, into 0.035 divided by 0.070 whole to the power B. See, here upper one is small value, lower one is big value. Just I will make it as ulta. Ulta is nothing but the R2 divided by R1 is nothing but the 8 divided by 1 is nothing but the 0.024 divided by 0.012 is nothing but 12 ones are 12 twos, right? So 2 to the power A. And if I make it as ulta, so 35 to 70 means 2 to the power B, right? So here R1 by R2, I got this equation. 8 is equal to 2 to the power A into 2 to the power B. So this is the equation 1. Let me write it as here, right? So again, next what I'll do, see, I'll now this time I will take this. This is R1, right? Experiment number 1, experiment number 4, I will take R1, and this is what? R4. So R4 divided by R1 I will do. So R4 is what? 0.80 divided by 0.10 is equal to K into, for this R4, rate is nothing but the K into concentration of A into concentration of B. So concentration of A, let me write it here, 0.012 to the power A and 0.070 to the power b, and we know that a plus b gives the order, so a and b remain same. And for R1, so this is R1 which is 0.10, so it is rate is nothing but the k into concentration of A1 to the power A into concentration of B1 to the power B. So K into concentration of 0.01 to the power A and 0.035 to the power B. Right. So if I do this, R4 upon R1 is nothing but 8 divided by 1, 8 I will get, KK gets cancelled. See here also A, here also A, same unit, so this get cancelled. So here 0.035 divided by this 0.070, right? So 70 divided by 35, it is nothing but the 8 is equal to 2 to the power of B. Now, so this is what equation 2. This is equation what? 2, right? So 2 to the power b, we know that 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So it is like 8 is equal to 2 to the power b value is what now? 3, because 2 to the power 3 is 8, so b value is what? 3. If b value is 3 from equation 2, what about equation 1? Here also I should get 8, right? B value is 3, so 8 is equal to 2 to the power a into 2 to the power 3 here. So 2 to the power 3 is 8, then a should be what? A should be 0 only. If a is 0, 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 8 is equal to 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 into 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. So a should be 0. A should be 0. So I concluded that from the both reaction A is 0 and B is equal to what? 3. So order n is what? A plus B. So it is 0 plus 3 is nothing but 3. So order of this reaction is 3. So here can I write it like this? So this is the reaction rate. So rate is nothing but the K into concentration of A to the power A into concentration of B to the power B. Right. So rate is nothing but the K into concentration of A. The A value I have calculated. A value is what? 0. So 0. Concentration of B to the power B, which is 3. B value is what? 3. So concentration of B to the power 3. So rate becomes what? A to the power 0 is 1. So K remains K. 1 into B to the power B is B3. So rate law or the rate equation is rate of the reaction is equal to rate constant K into B to the power 3. Right. So if we search rate here, this one is wrong, this one is wrong, this one is wrong, and this one is wrong. Only the correct option is C. Rate is K into concentration of B to the power 3. It doesn't depend upon the concentration of A, it only depends upon the concentration of B. And the overall order of the reaction is 3. I hope this video has helped you. So this is the question from chemical kinetics. Thank you.